murmurs are actually surprisingly common in children. Would you believe actually 1 in 3 children at some point have a heart murmur? So that means in most classes, 10 of the children have heart murmurs from time to time. It's just that they don't know. The heart murmur isn't necessarily there all the time. It tends to be loudest if the child's not well, for example, if they have fever, and that's usually when a GP or another doctor will be listening and they'll pick up the heart murmur.